Well, that's all right. I just have to add it on to this one. Doggone calico kicked water onto the screen and it cut off. This is a better one right here. The hookup bait, baby. Man, look at that one. Nice. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, try to tie it in on my other rod. I ain't caught a fish on it yet. This one. Caught a fish on this one. So you can tie it on here and see what happens. Straight braid. See if it works. Probably tie it on this and wind up getting broke off. But we gotta give it a try. Here, not a lot of big ones, but there's bait getting jammed up over here because I can see them jumping out the water when I cast out. I can see them flying out the water. I'm gonna try to tie this on. One on this rod right here. Somewhere in there. Let's see if I can get one. Good size. Oh, that wasn't a fish. That wasn't a fish. I think that was just seaweed. Get one. I hate when these tails fold up on you like that. The fish is definitely not gonna eat it when it's like that. Ah, blew it. Ah, blew it. Ah, shoot. Oh, man. Might have been a little one. All right, come on now. They want to hit when I'm ready to leave. I didn't want to eat nothing earlier. Oh, shoot, I got to hurry up before I get snagged up over there. Okay. Cast a straight braid. I might have to put some floor on there because I think they might be able to see that. Oh, shit. Man, I don't know if that was a fish or the reef. Let's try this one more time. I think that was a reef. I think that was a fish. Oh, that was seaweed. That's seaweed over there. Yeah, see? Right on the tail. So they bitten by the seaweed. Ah. I'm gonna have to get lucky, I guess. Yeah. They sitting in that seaweed, but I'm snagging the seaweed now. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna cast this until I lose it, but I gotta put some mono on it. Yeah, they are not biting it because they can see that braid. Eating it. Let me see. Alright, stop recording. Jesus. Second slammed it. Reef. Okay, alright. Another little one on the hookup bait. Whoa, that sucker lit me up too. Alright, let's see. If I get another one on the cast. I got slammed before I got him. Yeah, oh, that's a good one. Let me bring it back up. No, he ain't that big. He ain't that big. Right at the boat. When he hit, boy, it felt like a... They always feel big when you first hit them. Bam! Okay. Try it again. This is the spot right here where you get hung up a lot, so... Hopefully I won't get hung up. Hang up spots. Right here. Oh, they want fish on. Ooh, dang. Man, he felt weird. That didn't feel like no calico. Oh yeah. 3 fish on 3 casts. This hookup bait has made my day because I wasn't catching them on my other stuff. They wouldn't bite at all on my other junk. They're eating this dang hookup bait, so we're gonna keep it going. I have to backtrack this area. See if I can get some more. Man, those few little dinkers made my day. When they hit this dang hookup bait, it felt like a bonk. It just felt like they cracking it. Beanie starting to warm up. Okay. Oh dang! Ooh, that sun is. Ooh, that sun is beaming right now. Came from out of that cloud. Sheesh. All right. If I don't get hung up, I will catch a fish. This is a good spot, but it's always getting hung up right in here. Fish like to be in these rocks. Pushing, keep it pushing, keep it going. Oh shit! Oh, almost landed right on top of the thing. Dang! Oh, I got lucky. Still ain't. Oh fuck! That was a fish right there. Blew it. Right over there too. Ah, shoot. Yeah, they stacked up over there. Them the little ones though. The big ones, they don't play. Ah, man. We'll try that again. Because you just never know. Could be a big one, it could be more small ones. Man. It was lighting it up. I'm just going to go straight over there. Hung up, I might get one. Come on. I need a big one. Try a different lure over here because I'm getting in the snag zone right now. So let me see what I'm gonna try. Man, that was cool, but this spot you cannot throw something with a hook exposed. So I'm gonna try a big old. Big lure right there. Bam. Let's see if I can go up, get one of the big ones to come up. Yeah. This calico, oh my God, I seen one, it was about 4 pounds following this thing in. Oh my God, it was huge. Oh my God, I wouldn't even think a big one like that would be way out here like this. Good grief. This thing was huge. As soon as he saw me, he turned away. Damn, that thing was big. Yeah, dog. I gotta put a hook on the bottom. Woo! Wee! That thing was huge. Oh shit. Don't take much time with this one. Wee! This is a decent spot calico right here. Oh yeah, decent one. I'm gonna have to retie my line, it look like. Let's see. Oh! First cast with that hookup bait. Let me tell you something. This damn lure has outfished everything I've thrown today. As far as big fish, anyway. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to retie this. But this bad boy right here, let me grab him real quick. If I can, if he'll let me. There it goes. There it is. This is a good, real nice fish right there. Woo! Goodness, that was nice. Okay. Pause this one. So far, he feel like he ain't that big. He ain't going bananas yet, so get ready. Nah, he ain't that big. He ain't that big. Little fish gonna wear me out today. Back in there. Let's try that again. I probably caught about 8 fish on this hookup bait. If I'd have started earlier, I would have had probably way more than that. They have been, the biggest one was probably only 2 pounds. Man, that was fun though, that's fun. Throw it enough, eventually you're gonna catch a big one. Sure did. I didn't get nothing because it was foul. I should have felt it, but I couldn't. I wasn't sure. There we go. one more cast to hook a bait. I don't get hung up, I will catch a fish. I feel like I'm getting smacked right now. Not unless that's seaweed. I think that was seaweed. One more cast. Oh, wow. Sorry about that reel. My bad. I didn't push the button all the way down. Oh, she did not like that. Now she's making a clacking sound. Take it back apart. One more time. Give it one more shot. That was fun. We can put this one back over here. Try this big old fly bait again. my third fish over here, and they all were small like this one I'm about to bring in. I had to scale down to a real small lure just to get them. But this little cute little spotty. But I missed two other ones, and I know they was probably this one, probably the same fish. Boom. I knew once I dropped down to this little bitty bait that I was gonna get something. I'm sorry. Dang it. Got his gill in there. Oops. Sorry. Now I got a freaking cramp in my elbow. I mean in my arm. Dang it. It was just sitting on the bottom and he lit it up. Man. Might have to end my day today. I'm cramping my arm. Every time I come to this spot over here, I always get one. Right in this little corner. Every time. I got one on a Z-Man crawbait. He ain't big, but I don't care. I knew it was gonna be something over here. I let that sucker eat it too. I got broke off by a halibut just about 10 minutes ago. This little sucker right here, threw it out. I seen my line go thunk, and then it just kept moving. Got his little butt. Yeah. Damn, I got a good one right now. Ah, you stuck. Ah, no. Ah, I got him out. Ah, this sucker was wrapped on that pylon down there. That was a good one. Woo! Yeah, this is a real good one. It's a good one. Jeez. Man. Yeah, this is a good one because it's a big bait I got him on, like a 5-inch swim bait, Nico rigged. Let's see what it is. That's like a snatched it right as soon as it hit the bottom. Ooh, that's a good one. I hope it's not a freaking halibut. I ain't messing with.
It's not a stingray.
Or a stingray. It's probably one of them.
If it's a halibut, man, don't throw it back in there.
Huh?
You don't get to throw it back in. If it's a halibut, you don't want it.
No, I don't want it. You want it? If it's a halibut?
If it's a halibut, oh yeah.
Okay, let me see. I just want to look at it. Just let me see it. Also, it's a fat spotty. No, I'm letting this one go. He's fat, he's chunky.
Yeah.
Wee.
I have my deep fries on, I tell you what.
No, I let the bass go.
Yeah, no, me too, man.
Yeah.
That's it here.
Ah, God damn. Cramp.
Is when I take this thing for 10 miles out.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, I gotta get this fish up. Goodness. That's about close to a 3. I gotta weigh this thing. He's probably only 2 something. Ooh, that's a chunky sucker right there. That's a chunky one. I'm gonna see how long he is anyway. That's a good tournament size fish right there. Okay, so he's only 16 and a half inches. That's a 2-pounder. Nothing special, but oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. That's a nice one. 16 and a half inches. Goodness. I got a cramp in my arm. And this is what I got him on. This is a Bass Pro Shop bait. But I got it Nico rigged. Dang, line all twisted up on the tail. Let me see. Yeah. So you bury the hook in it, and on the way down it swims. Now that look crazy, huh? But he smacked it on the way down. Bam, bam. Stop recording. Well, I had a blast today. Caught a lot of fish. Nothing huge. Just that the biggest one was that 16.5-inch spotty. But man, I'll be back next week.